Okay, 1501. I'm at the Hilton Garden Inn North. I got the names right this trip. So I'm right here in the corner. And it is, let me see, it is October 2025. October 2025. We're going to start in the restroom. It's got the nice big shower heads. See, every Hilton should be like this or better. I love this. And with these big towels, these are big towels. Every once in a while you find a hair. Don't stress on one hair. If there's 10 or more, maybe change rooms. But one little hair ain't gonna be no big deal. Because people have hair that comes off once in a while when they're folding the towels. Just fact of life. If that bothers you, stay home. I've been to this hotel many times. I've been in this room a few times. I'm looking for the TV remote. Got the aircon on. I still need to go pick up my bags. They hold your bags at this hotel, which is great. They hold them next door, which is also great. Nice big mirror walkway. This is kind of a funny shaped room because of the corner. This is, oh wow, that is cold. One next door was non-op, so that is cold. And it's got a nice big safe, ironing board iron. There's a blow dryer around here somewhere, slippers, pencil, paper, pads. This one has USB-A, C, and that's a universal plug. It's got the little reading light. It's got the overhead. It's got one central overhead, then one over here, one over there, obviously TV. Again, universal plugs. They're upgrading everywhere. So the one on the left is that British whatever, and then this is the universal. Now, if you have this British plug and you need a thing, you just come right out the front door and you see the crosswalk right there. Go across the crosswalk, and then you see a little yellow sign. It's just past the, I think it's just past that yellow sign. There's a little electronics store. It's 6 ringgit. And boy, it just stopped raining. As soon as I walked through the front door, it started downpouring hard. You can see blue sky over there. You can see the market starting to fill, and it's just starting to fire up. It was empty yesterday. It's just starting to fire up for the weekend. But yeah, I love these places. So north versus south. I usually try them both when I'm here, and like this time, the north is newer, I believe. It's usually a little bit, it's like tiny bit nicer. The elevators are slow in both. Don't sweat it. Just relax and wait for them. The breakfast, it's usually about the same. I usually like the breakfast at the south better because I can sit in a corner and it's kind of quiet. Breakfast here usually has more foreigners. I don't know why, but I usually have like more foreigners in the north. I don't get it. North is usually, $1 or $2 more a night. If you're in the north, you can use the pool in the south, and I think that's about covers it. But they're sister properties, right? They're, I think, same owner, and sometimes you'll see the staff floating back and forth. But either way, they're great value. So when I'm coming to Malaysia, or I'm looking for a couple weeks or a month to like chill out, get healthy, and relax, this is my go-to place. These two hotels, they're affordable enough where I can stay here for long periods of time, get the breakfast, go to the pool, and then go for walks all the time. Like I just got back to the hotel. I've been out all day, and the nice thing about this is I believe I can't remember. I think it's either that red one over there, there's a red roof, not the red building, but the red roof over there, or that yellow building. One of those is a mall, and there's a mall about twice that distance to the left behind us. We're right at Chow Market, and then down in here there's a bunch of shops. You see these street vendors coming out, but there's shops all the way. There's a rail system over there, there's a rail system here. This is the monorail. I think that's the light rail or something. So yeah, I just love this place. The window is double pane and hot to the touch. It is like hot to the touch. So yeah, and every day this time of year you get rain showers. So they usually don't last long. They call it the daily street cleaning or something like that. But sometimes you get some fabulous thunderstorms. So if you're at the south and you want to see the fabulous thunderstorms, head up to the rooftop pool. It's got a covering there, a bar. You can sit up there, watch the thunder, lightning, watch the storm, and then it'll go away. It just goes away. It's beautiful. But that's Kuala Lumpur, Hilton Garden Inn, north and south. I'm going to tag these two together. I did a room walkthrough on the south yesterday, or a couple days ago. I was there for a couple days. I'm here for a couple days. And then I'll decide what to do, where to go. There's a couple other hotels I want to check out, but yeah, welcome to Malaysia. Welcome to Malaysia. And go get some good food. And don't forget to get your drink in a bag. I hung mine up so I could do the video, but I had some watermelon juice across the street, and then I poured some water in it back because there was lots of good ice, and hopefully the ice doesn't make me sick. But drink in a bag, just like Thailand. I got this at, I believe it's the yellow sign over there. They have chicken and fish, and it's all kinds of great stuff. I was down there watching them play chess. These guys are crazy good at chess. Like, and they keep asking me to play. I'm like, no. And they're, money gets traded after every win or loss. So just keep that in mind. The boards aren't free, and they play for money. But they are very good, very entertaining to watch. And some of the old characters that come by are pretty fun. Pretty fun to chat with and chat it up. But yeah, get a passport. Get out and use it.